Okay. So in a previous video we reviewed Xiaomi Airdots and there were two major problems with it. One, the touch sensitive back, and second, the Chinese voice assist. And soon after that, Xiaomi launched this Redmi Airdots, a surprising follow-up. Now, not only both of them look similar, but also have same hardware. And still, Xiaomi manages to cut 500 rupees or $10 from this Redmi Airdots. So the question has to be asked, which one is better, the Redmi Airdots or this Xiaomi Airdots? Well, let's find out. Hi there, this is Mrunal from TechWiser.com, and in this video we are going to clear up the difference between this Redmi Airdots and Xiaomi Airdots. But before we come to that, let's get down to the similarities first. In the box you get the case, a pair of earphones and couple of earbuds. Apart from the color, both of them looks and feel the same. And the case has the same old matte finish dental floss design. And not just that, the hardware is also same. Both have Bluetooth 5.0 and 300 mAh internal battery, so they should have pretty much same battery life and range. And I like that. Why fix something that isn't broken? What I also like about this earbuds is the lightweight design. Most of the time you won't even feel that the device is plugged into your ear, just like Apple AirPods. Now, what about the audio quality? Well, since these are truly wireless earbuds, my expectations are not that high. But still, I have to say, this Redmi Airdots are really loud. In my opinion, the Redmi Airdots are slightly louder than the Mi ones. That said, the audio quality is pretty much the same in both.
And yes, if you play a lot of PUBG or watch World Cup matches on these, do expect a good amount of latency. But this shouldn't be a problem if you're using it to just listen to music or podcast.
So far it seems that Xiaomi slapped the dark mode on Mi Airdots and call it Redmi Airdots. Well, not exactly. In fact, there are three major differences. And first up is the build quality, which we discovered accidentally. So Pratik accidentally dropped the earbuds from the table, and a couple of hours later, I noticed that the chip around the microphone was broken. This got me interested and I went back to check the Mi Airdots, and turns out the Mi Airdot has a rubber coating over them instead of hard plastic. This makes them more shock absorbent than the Redmi Airdots. I guess this is how they managed to cut $10 on Redmi Airdots while keeping the same internals. Next up we have the much anticipated feature. Yes, they have replaced the Chinese voice assist with beeps. Thank you Xiaomi, or should I say Redmi. It's much more intuitive to use now. So in Redmi Airdots, you hear different beeps when the bud pair with your phone and a different beep when they pair with each other. You easily get used to it. And the third thing that changed is the touch sensitive back is finally replaced with actual buttons. So no more accidental presses. Although they don't feel that tactile, but it's still relieving than the touch sensitive back of Mi Airdots, which was not only bizarre but also potentially a deal breaker for many people. So in conclusion, while both of them look and feel pretty much the same, I believe that this Redmi Airdot is slightly better. You see, they have taken out the bad stuff from this Mi Airdots, which is the Chinese voice assist and the touch sensitive back, and replace it with physical buttons and the beeps. But all in all, the audio quality and pretty much everything is same. Overall, I will recommend getting this Redmi Airdot over Mi Airdots. Just don't drop it. That being said, it's funny that both of them belongs to same parent company, Xiaomi's, and doesn't matter which one you buy, it's Xiaomi who is ultimately gonna win the game, just like their friends at Oppo, Vivo, OnePlus, or even Redmi and Xiaomi. But that's okay. Nonetheless, let me know which one are you gonna buy in the comment section below. As always, it's Mrunal signing off. We'll catch you guys in the next one.